Hey, what's up guys? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how we ceramic coat trim. So let's get right into it. Follow me along.
Why is it a good idea to ceramic coat your trim?
So you want to ceramic coat your trim to make it look brand new again. And if it's a brand new vehicle, you want to ceramic coat your trim to make sure that it stays in that like new condition for a long time. And it also makes it easier when you wash it. All that dirt and grime comes off a lot easier, and it just looks nice.
Got it. Is there a way to avoid the discoloration of the trim?
Yeah, so that's like a main reason that people would want to get a ceramic coating done on the trim, is to avoid getting that discoloration or fade on your trim pieces. Keeps it looking hydrated and fresh for a very long time.
Got it. And what kind of chemical or what product do you use for your trim?
So on our van, we're going to be using the G-Technic trim ceramic coating. It lasts up to 2 years.
Got it. So when is it a good time to restore the trim? When you see the slightest discoloration, or when it's fully like just looks old?
I'd say the best time to ceramic coat your trim would be when you first get your vehicle, but the best time to restore your trim would be as soon as you start seeing it get discolored. So on my van, I've noticed it's starting to get discolored. It's a 2017, so it's only about 5 years old, and it's already starting to show signs of discoloration in a few areas, like from the harmful UV rays. So I'm gonna do, basically once you see that, you got to do it as soon as possible before it gets any worse, because sometimes if it gets too far gone out, you'd have to replace your trim. There's times where the ceramic coating or the trim restoring product won't be able to bring back those plastic pieces to life. There's sometimes where you'll be able to see like it still looks kind of grayish in some areas or some type of lines. So yeah, you got to get that done as soon as you can.
Got it. And are there any other like types of processes to keep it, like
to maintain it or whatnot?
Yeah, to maintain it, or is it just ceramic coating?
So what I'm planning on doing is I'm gonna ceramic coat it, and then every couple months, like every 3 to 6 months, I'll condition the trim just to add a bit of extra layer of protection.
Got it.
And then I could just ceramic coat it. If I notice like the ceramic coating is getting messed up or anything, I could just add another layer after 1 or 2 years.
What's this for?
To prep the panels. We have our own Tony's Professional Touch panel prep, but for the sake of the coating and whatnot, since it's a G-Technic coating, I might as well just use what they included in the package.
Got it. And by prepping, you're just wiping the panels down?
Yeah, so the vehicle's already cleaned, and so now we just are doing the panel prep with G-Technic. What is this called? I think it's just called G-Technic PW panel prep, that's it. And after this, we're able to start coating it.
So this chemical, it allows the ceramic coating to, I mean the trim restoration to...
It's a coating.
Oh, okay.
It's not a restore. It's the trim ceramic coating.
Yeah.
It allows it to bond better.
And does it help with the color, like make it pop more?
No, it just make sure that the surface is clean and free of any oils, so that the ceramic coating can bond good and last its full durability.
Got it. So this is the coating?
Yep, C4 permanent trim restorer. And then we got a couple information right here in the back. Up to 2 years of durability for use on all exterior trim, and restores trim to as new condition.
So how many passes per, I guess, per trim?
So I'm gonna do 2 layers. So instructions here: deep clean your trim with W5 citrus all-purpose cleaner and a medium stiff brush, then rinse and dry. The application is apply C4 evenly to the supplied application pad. Spread evenly over a single piece of trim, and then once you have spread the product evenly to one area, gently wipe away excess with the microfiber 10R microfiber buff cloth.
Is it just one pass or?
It's a crisscross pattern, and then after we're done with this one piece, we can wipe off the excess.
So Tony, if someone wants to sell their old car and the trim is all like discolored, do you think by applying this trim restoration they'll get more money out of it?
Well, they're trying to sell it. I think it'd be best just to condition it and let the new owner ceramic coat it. But because like you can do that right before like selling it. If you were to ceramic coat it, it'd be a lot more money that you'd have to spend. So I feel like it just wouldn't be worth it unless it's a more expensive type of vehicle. So yeah, I'd just say get it conditioned if you're gonna sell it. But if you're gonna keep it and you want the plastics and trim to look like new for a long time, then yeah, definitely coat it. So I would say like if you were to buy a vehicle that has messed up or faded trim, then yeah, get that restored and ceramic coated.
Yeah.
I'm just making sure I didn't leave any high spots on the wrap since I didn't tape off the wrap. I just want to make sure I didn't leave any coating on the wrap that can potentially cause a high spot.
What's a high spot?
So it'll just look like a streak that won't come off from the coating setting in and not being wiped off. So look at that. You see those lines?
On the bumper?
You see the lines or no?
Like right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does it show on camera or no?
A little bit, yeah.
Because it's all like, that's basically like UV damage.
Oh, from the sun.
Yeah, all these like lines. That's the plastic aging.
And does this coating like help with that or?
Yeah, it's supposed to prevent that from getting worse, make it look better. The bottom right there, you can see all those lines. Can you see them or no?
Yeah. Kind of like tiger stripes.
These right here?
Oh, right there. Yeah, you could, they kind of show up.
All those little lines. That's basically what, and this just looks whitish. And then same thing with this, it just looks all white, pasty.
Yeah. This is a coated side? Oh yeah.
There's one layer. We still have to do that bottom piece, but this piece is done.
So Tony, can you give us a quick update on the trim restoration?
Yeah, it's going pretty good. We got almost our full first layer down. We just have the driver's side to do in the front, and then we're gonna do a second layer in a bit after we're done finishing off this first layer, and that should be bada bing bada boom, and then ready. So we're almost done with the first layer, and we got like 1/3 left of the 30 ml bottle. So if I wanted to do a second layer, I might have to get another bottle to do a second layer. But for now, I think I'll be able to do maybe a second layer on a smaller piece or something. But yeah, we're almost done. Getting there, slowly but surely.
Because the bumper, it already looks better than it was before, dude.
Yeah, way better. Just making sure it's all in the little nooks and crannies. A little time consuming, but making it look a lot better.
So are you surprised by that product?
Yeah, actually I like it a lot. It's cool. It's exactly what I was expecting. Easy to work with. Seems to be doing really nice and shining it up a lot. Now we just have to see durability for the future.
Ooh. G-Technic. So Tony, can you give us an update on the trim restoration?
So we're all done for today at least. We got one layer done. We used about 3 applicator pads that came in the pack. I definitely kind of want to do another layer. I'm just gonna have to order another bottle, and we'll do a second layer just to extend the durability and not have to do it in the next couple months. And I also feel like it can look a little bit better. So it looks really good, but I feel like I can look a bit better and more blended in with the second layer on top.
So can you take it out to the sun right away, or do you have to wait?
I can take it out to the sun right away. I just have to avoid getting water on it, and I'd recommend washing it like after a week or 2. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. That's how we ceramic coat and restore our trim pieces. Let me know in the comments down below how much you guys charge to ceramic coat trim pieces. And remember, you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.